Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. Since the last video, there's a lot of changes happening in the market, especially in the crypto, but I wanna start with the American market first. With the situation in the American market, this seems like a sell. Yes, I know it, but we are in the almost 200 MA moving average levels. So if you look through that, as you can see through here, we are almost hit to the 200-day average. So Charlie Munger says, you know Charlie Munger or I don't know, but he was a co-worker, partner with the Warren Buffett back in the time, and he says so, like, if you buy American market S&P 500 within the 200 MA, you won't gain money. He says that if you want it, you can search it on the internet. But at the moment, situation in technical seems not good at the moment. But if it's going to be end the day through the 6,720, and tomorrow if it's going to be go up to the 6,060 level, so this is a ultimate buy for the American market. Well, they are waiting for a rally just to be occur and still waiting for a run because it made its run. For my opinion, this is speculative, but I think they are just erasing the weak hands from the market. I mean, in my opinion, it's not 100% true, but I think it's going to be happening at the moment. The gold seems not good. It gone below the Kaufman moving average. It doesn't seem good at the moment. Also, it's in the sell, as you can see through here in the indicators. The way it's going to be happening the gold, it's going to be go through like the 4,920 for the run. If you're going to break it, it will be go through like this 4,600 level. I cannot say a level below the gold, because it made a really good rally in that it can make a profit sales could be occurred through here. It made it, and there's a lot of people are waiting for the profit sell at the moment with patience. So I cannot say the way, but the situation in the gold is not good. Also with the silver is more bad, as you can see through here. Waiting for the 74,000 to become. I'm waiting for the 74 level to become. We will see what's going to be happen after that. I said I won't be make any more platinum analysis, but there's a difference between the platinum and silver. Why is it? Because it was too much oversold at the Friday. It went out to the another Watson level, and within that there's a technical rebound occurred from here, and it hit to the 2143 the Fibonacci level. It tries to be go through here, and I don't think ever it's going to be breakthrough there. Cryptocurrencies, yes, I made a video about it with the cryptocurrencies back over here. I said this is a huge candle. You can look through my videos. I said it's a huge candle, and within that, if it's going to be gold below it, there's a positive divergence will be occurring in the Bitcoin, and it did, and it went up, down, up. So there's a bias in the Bitcoin. If it's going to be end the day below the $74,000 level, this is bullish, and we can say okay, the $60,000 was a dip. Bullish trend will be start over here, but we just need to wait for the moment. Why the Bitcoin is going up at the moment? There's a lot of sell occurred in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin must go down to like 50%. So there's a huge sell-off occurred within the war. The people are also scared and sold it. But the situation in the Bitcoin in the war, by the expectations, sell the realities. That's the reason for the Bitcoin for the go up. Also, the oil is went up really much, and within that there's a global inflation will be occurring in the world within the war situation, and it will be bullish for the Bitcoin because Bitcoin's amount is just stable 21 million. Okay, this only mine 20 million, I know it, but it's a scarce of Bitcoin in the market, so Bitcoin will be eventually really up in really much in the long period. It will be really up. Maybe the people are just making an excuse for it. Also very good with the Ethereum could be bought. By the way, I will say you this, if it's going to be hold through like the 74.5, if it be go through like over here maybe in the 2 hours, maybe in 3 hours when I'm making this video, if it's still holding through there, it's a buy signal. Well, with the XRP seems really good at the moment. It went up to the Kaufman garage, and it can make an explosion with the turbo occurring through here. This can be just skyrocket the 185 level. It can be skyrocket through there. Well, XMR is a little bit more defensive, waiting for its run at the moment. There's a huge volume in the XMR, so within the altcoins, I mean, in that XMR just waiting for its run. Going to have to be gold to the first, and then Ethereum, and then the other altcoins will be go up, but not right now because there's a lot of volumes in over here. In that volume, the money have to be go away from the Bitcoin and the Ethereum and have to be enter inside the Monero. So we just need to wait for the XMR. Also, if it went back in the 10th of October when the money gone out from the Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the stuff, it went in for the Monero and it made a rally through here. The Fetch.ai, this is really good. It went up to 50% from the last video I made up. I said we are waiting for an AI rally, and this is an AI coin with the biggest AI coin in the cryptocurrency market. So we are waiting for an AI rally. You can make a correlation through it. It will be skyrocket for my opinion. But I don't want to say skyrocket because maybe it can make you a FOMO, fear of missing out, I mean. But the Fed coin has a future. I believe it. I made videos about it. If you go back in the time, $2 Fed coin itself, it's a market all-time high. Yes, there's a lot of way through there, but we just need to wait. If it's going to be Bitcoin hold through the 74,000 levels, I think the Bitcoin will be go to the 0.78 cent levels. So this is good. Also, you can say it, why the Monero is not going up, but the Fed and also the AVAX coin going up. Why is it? I can say you this. Monero is bigger than these. Monero has a huge more market cap through this. I'm talking about Fed. If a little bit money comes through here, go through in the Fed, can make a price to be go up. But there's a huge volume in the Monero, and Monero is a huge market itself. It could not make a difference in the price, the same amount what entered in the Fed coin. But the Avalanche also, AVAX seems like going to be break the 10 level. If it's going to be hit through there, it will be go to like the 1154 level at the moment. So we are bullish with the cryptocurrencies. We just need to be look through the what's going to be happen through the Bitcoin itself. It had to be hold through the $74,000. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.